Hello, I'm Priya from EduBridge, and today we will be discussing the foundations of accounting. You will have a general understanding of how to handle your money wisely and how to assign the tasks you are not skilled at the end of this session. Alright, let us start with the definition of accounting. Accounting is the process of measuring, processing, and sharing financial and other information about businesses and corporations. You can think of accounting as a big machine that puts your raw financial information into things like your business transactions, taxes, projections, etc. Then provide an easy-to-understand overview of the financial state of the business. The books of accounts are prepared by the accountants as per the regulation of the auditors and various regulating bodies. The accountants might follow the generally accepted accounting principles, GAAP or the IFRS, International Financial Reporting Standards, principles. If an analyst reads the book of accounts, he or she can get a fair idea of the financial situation of the business. Thus, for publicly listed companies, the book of accounts is necessary to determine the company valuation. So, let us understand, how does accounting work? One of the most crucial things a business does is accounting. In a small business, a bookkeeper or accountant may do it, whereas the finance department of a huge organization may employ dozens of employees to do it. Reports generated by several accounting methods, including managerial, financial, and cost accounting. The financial statements of a big company provide an overview of its operations, financial situation, and cash flows during a specific time period. After accounting for all the transactions based on hundreds of separate financial transactions, these are brief reports. In India, the CA or the Chartered Account is a qualification for accountants. It is a competitive exam, and the student needs to pass the papers to become a chartered accountant. For all tax-related and accounting-related queries, the CA is considered a knowledgeable person. Let's examine what accounting actually entails. The 5 primary aspects of business accounting are listed below. 1. Managing your finances, including the use of credit cards, loans, and bank accounts. 2. Maintaining your books, cataloging, and recording your financial transactions. 3. Financial statements, the financial reports you can create using your bookkeeping. 4. Making business decisions, reviewing your financial information, and modifying your company. 5. Getting ready for tax season.